If you live in Taunton and you're wondering what's really happening with home prices, buyer demand, or inventory as we start 2026, then this video is definitely for you. I'm Stefan. I'm a local real estate agent here in Bristol County, and every month I break down the actual numbers for our local market, not just headlines and national averages, which quite frankly don't really apply to us. So if you find this helpful, feel free to subscribe so you can stay up to date with the market and get real-time insights that'll actually help you buy or sell property this year in 2026. So let's just start with the hard data from January. So the amount of homes that were sold in Taunton for the month of January was 58 residential properties. And for a winter month, it's definitely strong activity and it's a clear sign that demand is definitely there. Now, in terms of the average prices bounce between $475,000 to $480,000, depending on property type and location. And that keeps Taunton around the $500,000 mark in overall value. The days on market was about 25. And before going under agreement, that just tells us properties that are priced correctly and presented well are still moving efficiently even in January. Overall, these numbers show a stable active market and definitely not a slowdown. So what do these numbers mean if you live here in Taunton? And this is where the local knowledge definitely matters, because homes with easy access to Route 24 and Route 44 are continuing to attract strong interest from commuters and sell at a high price point, especially from people who are coming down from bigger cities like Boston and Rhode Island. And properties in neighborhoods like East Taunton and Ware Village, they're still seeing consistent buyer activity, especially in the mid $400,000 range. And as inventory remains limited in these areas, buyers have options, but definitely not in excess of those options like maybe in the past. So that combination has been keeping prices supported and preventing any major swings from happening in the market. So you might be asking yourself, who has the advantage here? Is it buyers or is it going to be sellers? So for sellers, you're still in a strong position, but pricing and preparation matter more today than they did a few years ago. And homes that are staged, marketed properly, and priced correctly are the ones that were getting sold very quickly. So for buyers, the market is more balanced than it was, but competition still exists, especially with interest rates finally breaking into the 5% range. So being prepared financially and strategically is definitely going to be the key. Now, as we move further into 2026, Taunton's shaping up to be a balanced but competitive market with steady demand, modest appreciation, and luckily opportunities on both sides when you have the right guidance. So if you own a home in Taunton and want to know what it would realistically sell for in today's market, comment value down below and I'll send you a personalized home value or an equity update for your records. And if you're thinking about buying or investing here in Taunton or anywhere else in Bristol County, just comment Taunton or Bristol County and I'll put together a smart plan that's tailored to your specific goals and area that you're looking to buy or invest in. I'm Stefan. I'm your local Bristol County real estate resource. Make sure to subscribe for monthly updates and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.